Today, we're gonna make a little doll. First, we're gonna make the skin color. So the skin color I make is use 2 parts of white, about 1/4 yellow and 1/4 red, and I have add I think it's 1/4 of those like a tan-ish color. If you don't have it, you can just add teeny little bit blue. So I'm gonna say again, 2 parts of white, 1/4 of yellow and red, and teeny little bit blue. That should be make a very good skin color. Well, of course, if you want the skin lighter, then you can add more white, more reddish, then you add more red, and you want more yellowish, then add more yellow. So that's totally up to you. So now you see I have made 2 legs. The reason I want to make the leg first because this kind of clay is very soft. So that's why I insert 2 very short like a toothpick. Then I add a little white clay for the socks, and this dark, this is the shoes. The dark color is for the shoes. So now the leg is done. So I will set it on the side to let it dry. So then it will not easy to change shape when I put it under the dress for the doll. Now I'm making the color of the dress. So you're welcome to use any color for the dress. I choose the red colors. So first we're gonna make a cone shape. And then you can use any kind of tool. You can use the top of the pencil eraser, or just use your thumb or your pinky to, poke a little hole like this. So the leg, I will not put it on yet because the clay is still very soft. If I put it on now, it's not going to be able to stand by itself. So I will wait for in the last moment. So now you're seeing I'm making 2 small triangles for the sleeve, the short sleeve for the dress. And again, I use anything for my tool, so you can see some kind of like this kind of plastic pointy shape. It will work perfectly for making this little short sleeve, a little cone shape. Now I am making the arms for the doll, and this thing we should be pay attention with is we need to make enough clay for this arm and leg and head, because I want them to be same colors. But if you don't want them same color, that's up to you. But I will make enough clay so then they are gonna be the same color. So the arm, you can insert it right now. But if you're gonna put some decoration on the dress, I would suggest you not put the arm or the sleeve attached to the middle part yet, because when you put the decoration on, you don't want the arm accidentally attached to the middle part or some kind of decoration. So after the decoration is done, then you can put the, attach the sleeve and the arm on it. I will put them in the front. You can put them in the back or on the sides, up to you. But I was planning to, this little girl was holding up a little small bunch of the flowers. So I'm gonna put it on the front. So this part is just for like a scarf or something. You can use different color or you don't have to make it. That's totally up to you. So now the clothes is done, but I still will leave the leg on the side because I don't want them change shape. I can just wait for it totally completely dry before I attach the leg on it. So now I am making the little bunch of flowers. This is the green stem, and the flower I'm gonna use yellow colors. Thank you so much for watching. To see the full video of this step-by-step tutorial, you can join or become my Patreon member, or go visit rbfineartstudio.com for more options. There are much more videos and live online art classes available in the website and in my Patreon pages. Also, please hit the like for support or subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time.